In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up new staff members in Acuity Scheduling. Whether you're expanding your team or just getting started, managing staff availability efficiently is crucial. Acuity Scheduling offers a streamlined way to handle this, ensuring your business runs smoothly. So let's dive in and set up those new team members effortlessly. First, you'll want to open Acuity Scheduling and look to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but the one we're interested in is availability. Go ahead and click on that. This is the section where you'll manage all your staff's calendars and their availability. It's the heart of scheduling and will ensure that your clients can book appointments seamlessly with the correct staff member. Once you're in the availability section, the next step is to click on Add New Calendar. This is where you'll create a personalized calendar for each new staff member. It's essential to have individual calendars for each person on your team to avoid scheduling conflicts and to keep everything organized. After clicking this option, you'll be prompted to fill in some details. Now, enter the new staff member's name and email address. This is crucial because the email address will be used for notifications and any direct communications from Acuity. Make sure to double check the spelling to prevent any issues with email delivery. Having an accurate email address ensures that your staff member receives notifications about their appointments and any changes to their schedule. Next up, it's time to set their specific availability hours. This step is vital because it determines when clients can book appointments with them. Think about the staff member's work schedule, breaks, and any other commitments they may have. On this page, you can customize their availability to suit these needs. You can set different hours for different days of the week, if this week, or even block out specific dates if needed. As you set these hours, consider what makes the most sense for your business and the staff members' preferences. This flexibility is one of the strengths of Acuity Scheduling, allowing you to tailor each calendar to fit perfectly with your operational needs. Remember that clear communication with your staff about their availability will help avoid any confusion and keep things running smoothly. Once you've entered all the necessary information and set the availability, review everything to ensure it's correct. This is your chance to make any final adjustments before saving. After you're satisfied, save the changes, and just like that, your new staff member is all set up in Acuity Scheduling. Congratulations! You've successfully added a new staff member to your Acuity Scheduling system. Their calendar is now live and they're ready to start taking appointments. This simple process not only helps in managing schedules effectively, but also enhances the client experience by ensuring they can book with the right staff without hassle. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need to add more team members and enjoy the smooth scheduling experience with Acuity. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy scheduling.